If you want to install any Windows without any USB pen drive, then this video will definitely help you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install any Windows without any USB bootable pen drive. Before going to the process, 2 or 3 points you have to keep in mind. If you have any valuable data in your system, then please take a backup. It's also recommended to take a backup of your system. Then you have to download the ISO file of the Windows, whichever you want to install on your PC. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe the channel. So let's get started.
First of all, you have to go to File Explorer, and in Download folder you will find Windows ISO file, whichever you have downloaded. Click on the ISO file and select Mount. It is being mounted. Now you have to open another File Explorer. Here you have to choose a drive. The drive should have minimum 15 to 20 GB free space. Then select all the files, drag and drop to this new drive. All the files will be copied to the new drive, and you have to wait till the copy is completed. All files are copied. Now close all the file explorers. Now press on Win key and click here, then lock. Now click anywhere of your desktop. Now you have to press and hold the shift key and restart your PC. Restart anywhere. Now you have to select troubleshoot, then go to advanced, and now you have to select command prompt. Here you have to type notepad and press enter. Now you have to select file, then select open, and now you have to go to this PC. Now you have to select the drive where you have extracted the Windows files. Then double click. Now here in file type, select all files. Select the setup file, right click on setup file and select run as administrator. Here the installation media is opened. Now you have to select your language and time currency, then click next. Now you have to select install now. Select I don't have a product key, choose anyone from here and then click next. Select accept terms and conditions, then next custom install Windows. Now you have to select the drive where you want to install Windows 10. Otherwise you can format your C drive and reinstall Windows. After selecting the drive, you have to click next, and the installation has been started. You have to wait till it has been completed. After the installation is being completed, you have to follow some basic steps, just like when you buy a new laptop or desktop. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. We will meet on another day on another topic. Till then, take care.